Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so I've got this question with me here. This is partial differential equation. And this question, it's for those who are in university, colleges, doing their mathematics, and those who are studying engineering mathematics. This question is for you. And also to those who are, if you are one of the people who just love mathematics, it's also for you. But before I solve this question for you, I'm kindly asking you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's solve this question. We've got 3 right here, 3x u x minus 4 y y is equal to 0. So now here, what you need to do, you need to understand that when you have u, your u must be equal to x multiplied by y. This point must be kept because we'll come and use it at the end. Okay. So thereafter, we will now find what we're supposed to put right here and what we're supposed to put here. So we will say u x will be equal to, we just put y here, capital Y, okay? Capital Y, and then we say d, capital X there, over dx, like this. This is the procedure. You must follow this procedure. It's very important, okay? Next, the same thing, we now say u, y here. For this one, we're trying to find what we're going to put here. So this time around, we put x, and then here, d capital Y over dy, like that, okay? So if you're able to see all these things here, we're saying it's equal to this, so it can be put here. And all these things can also be put right here because it's the uy, okay? And in other ways, in case you are facing difficulties to remember on how you're supposed to be doing this, you just get what is here and then put it here. So since it's x, you put capital Y here. And then here, you are dealing with x. So on top, it's capital X. Below, it's small letter x. The same applies to this. We are dealing with y, so we put capital X here. Here, it's capital Y, small letter y. So thereafter, we can now substitute. So we shall say 3x, okay, multiplied by capital U dx over d small letter x right there, minus 4. Here we have y, because this is 4y. We put this dy, actually here it's capital X, this capital X, dy over small letter y there, d small letter y is equal to 0. So I've just substituted this right here and this right there, okay? Thereafter, we can get rid of the brackets. We just clean it up. So we have 3x capital Y dx over d small letter x there, minus 4y capital X d capital Y over d small letter y is equal to 0. Okay, so now at this step, we need now to divide this right here. Hopefully you can see that we've got this. So we need to divide here by xy, capital XY, also here by capital XY, of which this one, y will cancel, the y there, so we will remain with 3, okay? Small letter x dx over d small letter x here over x, because this y has disappeared and this one also, minus 4, okay? Here it's the x and x, capital X and x will disappear. So 4y over capital Y d capital Y over d small letter y is equal to 0. Okay. So now at this point, we can uh, we 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 arrange our work. So of 3x d capital X over capital X here, there, just like that, is equal to 4y over capital Y dy over dy here. So we're just arranging our work. And then we shall say equals to a constant k. So in this case, this right here, okay, will be equal to k. And this also right here will definitely be equal to k as well. Okay. So now I've got two things to work with. So here we make whatever's got a small letter be to the uh, right side, and whichever's got capital X to the left side. So this side will remain with 1. Okay. We shall remain with 1 over x and capital dx, which is equal to, here we have k dx, we multiply by this dx, we have dx, and then we come and divide by these 3 small letter x, like that. Okay, so the same thing must be done here. So we shall have 1 over capital Y dy is equal to k uh, over 4y dy. Okay, so hopefully you know what is happening here. I'm just uh, I'm maintaining this and this. Remember, I said what has got a capital Y or capital X should remain to the left side, and then with capital, small letter y to the right side. So this one I cross multiplied, it went there, and then I divided by this. So this is how I came up with this. So now here we now integrate both sides. Okay, so here we remain with ln capital X is equal to, here we remain with k over 3 ln x, small letter x. So if you don't know how to integrate here, try to check. Keep on watching my videos or search. I've done a video on how to integrate here. So here we shall have ln capital Y is equal to this, like that, ln y. So these must be put in these bars. Okay, these are logs. Okay, so the next thing here, we're almost there, almost concluding. The next thing is to apply e to both sides. So here this will disappear. If we put e here, we have n. Then if we put the e here, this is how it will look like. So this will be a power using the laws of logarithms. So this will be a power, just like this. The next thing here will be now to write x. There will be always a constant. So maintain a as a constant, because here after integrating, actually here, there was a constant, okay? So now remember that when you put the the e, you apply the e, this and this will cancel, this will drop, and its power right there. The same applies, this and this will cancel, so we just remain with the capital X. Actually here it's small letter x. This is small letter x because we're dealing with the small letter x to the right side. So this is small letter x, okay? So we keep this one. Here also the same, we apply E. When we apply E, this and this will cancel. We shall remain with the Y is equal to, here before we apply the E, let's arrange it nicely following the laws of logarithms. So we shall have something like this. Then we come and apply the E. So all this thing will cancel, will remain with Y is equal to, we'll call the constant here as B y power k over 4. Okay, just like that. So this is the constant. Okay, so now we're almost concluding. We get now this right here, this point here. Okay, it's like this. We have u, okay, u is equal to x y. So we shall say u open bracket, okay, x comma y will be equal to, we have this, the x, what is our x here? It's a x power k over 3 multiplied by, what is our y? It's b y power k over 4, like that. Of which our final answer, because this is a constant and this is a constant, so just write a c to show that there will be a constant. Because constant times constant, it will still give you a constant. And copy what is remaining. So this is our answer right here. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. This has been Sechamba Jacob for you. Bye-bye.